Hello and welcome to a new video on tutorials for Moon Invoice application. Today we will see how to create different templates for your emails while sending your invoices, estimates, etc. to your customers or vendors. This option is available in Companies tab of the application. You can see an email templates option here at the bottom of the page. This option will allow you to create a generic email for sending your invoices, estimates, PO, credit, statement, or payments to your customers or vendors. Through this option, you can also choose different fonts, different sizes for your fonts. You can enter a subject line for your emails, a default subject line which will be added every time you send an email through the application. You can also add CC email, BCC email. This option will also allow you to choose from different available parameters. You can add a new parameter or also remove the parameter, and the details will be updated automatically. Let's try adding a new parameter here, invoice due amount. Add the parameter, click on save. Now let's check how the changes are reflected. Email to check the content. As you can see, all the details are as per our template. The invoice due amount shows the due amount for the invoice. The total amount shows the total amount for the invoice as per the parameters added by us. Just click on send. So these are the workings of email template option available in the Companies tab of the application. Thank you.